Jasmy coin is another symbolic that has been acquiring consideration in the realm of computerized monetary standards. It's the primary Japanese blockchain project that furnishes the two organizations and individuals with interesting and imaginative information stockpiling prospects. How about we investigate it closer and make some Jasmy coin cost expectations for the next few long stretches of time. What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is a new blockchain project from Japan. It was sent off in October 2021 by the Improvement Group, Kunitake Ando, Agent Chief Kazumasa Sato, President, Masanobu Yoshida, VP and CTO, and Hiroshi Harada, CFO. The blockchain innovation created by Jasmy expects to re-establish and shield individual information control. It consolidates conventional Web of Things (IoT) with blockchain innovation, empowering clients to oversee their own information safely. Jasmy's decentralized blockchain is work to safeguard clients' information and give them complete command over how and when it is used. To do as such, the Jasmy network utilizes Interplanetary Record Framework, or IPFS, which consolidates Savvy Safeguard and Security Information Communicator (SKC). Jasmy is intended to be an installment digital currency. Organizations who need to gain admittance to client information can do as such by getting it and paying in Jasmy. This lifts the opportunities for information subordinate associations to gather information, which is regularly challenging to stop by. It is guessed that the worth of the information will ascend as the market develops. What was Jasmy's most extreme cost? Jasmy hit its record-breaking exorbitant cost of $4.99 in February 2021. It arrived at the base cost, around $0.0066, in September 2022. What is Jasmy coin utilized for? Jasmy is an ERC20 token utilized as an installment strategy on the Jasmy organization. Jasmy IoT contraption clients are compensated with Jasmy coin tokens for offering their own information to accomplice organizations. Can't stack gadget. When did Jasmy coin emerge? Jasmy was presented on the Japanese market Bitpoint Japan in October 2021. Is it great to purchase Jasmy coin? There is no basic solution to whether purchasing Jasmy coin is great. From one perspective, this digital currency has been unbelievably unpredictable, and that implies that financial backers might actually rake in some serious cash, assuming they purchase when the cost is low and sell when it spikes. Nonetheless, there is likewise a lot of hazard implied, and Jasmy coin has been known to out of nowhere crash. The marking stage, which is at present a work in progress, ought to expand the liquidity of the token. This might actually influence Jasmy's future cost and market capitalization positively. Likewise, we shouldn't fail to remember that Jasmy is an exceptionally youthful cash on the crypto market, so there isn't a lot of significant market information, and its genuine worth is challenging to gauge. So eventually, it relies upon your gamble resistance and venture objectives. In the event that you're willing to take a risk and you're okay with likely misfortunes, then, at that point, purchasing Jasmy coin could be a decent choice. None of the substance on, including Jasmy token cost expectation, is speculation counsel, nor is it a substitution of guidance from a guaranteed monetary organizer. Prior to choosing to purchase Jasmy coin, we prescribe you to do your own exploration. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Jasmy coin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Jasmy coin will be $0.0079992. The greatest level that the Jasmy cost can reach is $0.0079992. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.0079992. Likely return for money invested, 60% by Jasmy value estimate for WAC 2023, in view of the value changes of Jasmy coin toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Jasmy pace of $0.0059994 in WAC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.0049995 and at $0.0059994 individually. Likely return on initial capital investment, 20% by April 2023. Jasmy coin value figure. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Jasmy cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.0059994, while the greatest could reach $0.0059994 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Jasmy coin may be around $0.0059994. Possible return on initial capital investment, 20% by Jasmy value estimate for May 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value variances of Jasmy coin in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Jasmy rate they foresee may be around $0.00599994 in May 2023. It can drop to $0.00599994 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.00599994. Possible return for capital invested, 20% by June 2023. Jasmy coin value figure around mid-year 2023. The Jasmy cost will be exchanged at $0.00599994 overall. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Jasmy coin worth to $0.00699993. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.00599994 in June 2023. Likely return for capital invested, 40% by Jasmy value figure for July 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Jasmy coin costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023 $0.00599994. The most minimal and top Jasmy rates may be $0.00599994 and $0.00699993. Likely return for money invested, 40% by August 2023. Jasmy coin value conjecture. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Jasmy cost will be around $0.00699993. In August 2023, the Jasmy coin cost might drop to at least $0.00599994. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.00699993 in August 2023. Possible return for capital invested, 40% by Jasmy value estimate for September 2023. Having examined Jasmy coin costs, digital money specialists expect that the Jasmy rate could arrive at a limit of $0.00799992 in September 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0.00699993. For September 2023, the estimated normal of Jasmy coin is almost $0.00699993. Possible return for money invested, 60% by October 2023. Jasmy coin value conjecture around mid-2023. The Jasmy coin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.00699993. Crypto experts expect that in October 2023, the Jasmy cost could change somewhere in the range of $0.00699993 and $0.00799992. Likely return for capital invested, 60% by Jasmy value gauge for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the Jasmy coin worth won't dip under